Hi, and welcome to another episode of Low Carb Cocktails. My name's Frank. That's right, the Low Carb Cocktail Guy. Today we'll be making a riff on a Mai Tai. We're going to swap up the ratios a little bit, throw a few other ingredients in there, and kind of talk about the flavor profile, which is kind of where the whole reason I'm doing this video is because this tastes like a pink Starburst. So being low carb, you know, we don't go on a whole lot of Starburst binges. So this is the best way you can have that flavor of a pink Starburst in a delicious cocktail. So let's kind of get this started. So in our small tin, we're going to start with some light rum. 2 ounces of your favorite light rum. Mine is Sugar Fields, a little local distillery here in Gonzales. If you've not seen my video, check out right here. So put a little card there. You can kind of see the in and outs of Sugar Field spirits. And they are a little low carb. They have some low carb options there as well. So enough of that. So we got 2 ounces of our light rum. Next, we're going to go with 2 ounces of diet cranberry juice. Ocean Spray, and that has 2 carbs per 8 ounces, so that makes it a 1/4 carb per ounce. Half carbs in my cranberry juice. So next we're going to go with some almond syrup, some sugar-free almond syrup. Monin makes a delicious substitute for orgeat. We're going to do 1 ounce of this. And this I keep on hand all the time, mainly because I love tiki cocktails, and a lot of them call for orgeat. Wonderful stand-in for orgeat, being low carb, that is. So next we go with 1 ounce of an orange liqueur. So if you've not seen my video on how to make an orange liqueur, where you been? I've had like 3 different versions of it. The most recent one is 0 carbs, and then my Sugar Field bottle, of course. Recycle your bottles. So we got 1 ounce of orange liqueur. So next we're going to go with some fresh lime juice. We go 1 ounce of our fresh lime juice. So if you notice, there's been 2 ounces of rum, 2 ounces of cranberry juice, and 1 ounce of everything else. Now we just to sweeten it up just a little bit, because the cranberry juice is a little tart, lime juice is a little tart. We're just going to do it with 1 bar spoon of a sweetener. You know me, I preach allulose. So 1 bar spoon of allulose. You want to use stevia? Use stevia. Monkfruit? I don't care. Use your favorite sweetener. Just make sure that, little side note, if you're using like erythritol or monkfruit, Lakanto, something like that, you definitely want to run it through a blender or food processor to powder it so it dissolves easier in liquid. Just a little pro tip on that one. Next, we're going to add a little bit of grenadine. Some Mai Tai recipes have grenadine, some don't. Traditional ones don't. So as you can see, the orange liqueur, the lime juice, the rum, the orgeat, that's your Mai Tai. My ratio is a little bit different. Like I said, it is a riff on a Mai Tai. I'm going to go with one bar spoon of that pomegranate syrup or grenadine. Again, Monin's sugar-free. Amazing product, substitution for a grenadine. So all grenadine is pomegranate syrup and 0 net carbs. Yeah, it says 7 on the bottle, but it's sugar alcohols because I've worked with them in the past and they sent me the data sheet on all of it. So it's 0 net carbs. So there we go. We have our rum, our orange liqueur, our cranberry juice, almond syrup, pomegranate syrup, little sweetener, little lime juice. Now let's add some ice. Let's give this a good shake, 10-15 seconds. All right, there we go. And we'll get a cocktail glass with some fresh ice in it. And we're going to strain this bad boy in. Even looks like a pink Starburst. We're going to garnish that with a little orange swath. Again, express your oils off your peel. Make sure you get some of those orange essential oils in that drink right over the top. Rim the glass with it. Drop that in. And now you have the Starburst Punch. Let's go ahead. Tastes like pink Starburst. Really weird because that's the pink Starburst is the strawberry one. And there's no strawberry in here at all. But the combinations of flavor, I think it's the pomegranate, the almond, everything just combined. Get a little bit of pink Starburst taste to that. And there you go, my friends, the pink Starburst. Hey, and by the way, if you like the videos I put out, make sure you give a thumbs up, leave a comment below. Check out the descriptions. There's some affiliate links from Amazon. Those will really help me out as well. And I also have a Patreon account as well. If you want to support me through Patreon, I have several different tiers. That'll also help me as well. But more important, if you can't do any of those things, the most important thing is subscribe, and share my videos, guys. That's really going to help me out the most. That'll help me keep bringing content to you guys. All right, guys, so that's it for me. As always, y'all have a great night because I'm about to have a good night myself. See y'all later. That tastes like a pink Starburst.